Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to write a narrative essay easily. This will be an easy tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you want to write a narrative essay, this is the video for you. I'm going to be showing you and telling you. I won't be writing it down in front of you, but I'm going to be using my hand gestures and stuff to show you and my words to tell you. So let's get into this. Now, what is a narrative essay? I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet, okay? A narrative essay essentially tells a story. Narrative is storytelling. Basically, you're narrating, you're telling the story. You are the narrator. So it tells a story. And it is usually based on firsthand experience. I can't say it's always based on firsthand experience, but it's usually storytelling based on what you've experienced, thought, felt, whatever the case is. Okay? So I've come up with 6 simple steps to easily write a narrative essay in a matter of a relatively short period of time. So, step number one is to brainstorm your main idea. So you want to brainstorm what your narrative essay is going to be about. It should be about something that happened to you, basically. So what is it going to be about? Brainstorm your main idea. Come up with any points. Just write it down in a thought web or just point form or whatever the case is. Even drawing out a diagram of maybe like a story time of what happened in the order of what happened, right? You want to brainstorm anything related to what story you're going to be telling. That's step number 1, brainstorm. Step number 2 is to come up with a thesis. Your thesis is essentially one sentence that describes the main idea of the narration of the story that you're telling. So for instance, and it will be included in your introductory paragraph. For instance, my thesis that I came up with on the spot when I was creating these little notes for this video is my day went very well today. So I could say my thesis can be my day went very well today because, and I could list off my reasons, which brings us to the next step, okay? Step number 3 is to come up with 3 reasons that back up and prove your thesis. So once again, my thesis is that my day went very well today. And my 3 reasons could be, 1, I got to work early, so I wasn't rushed. Got to work early, was super calm and relaxed. Number 2, I found a $5 bill on the floor. I was walking and found a $5 bill, and let's say I donated that. Instead of keeping it, I donated that. So not only did I find the money, but then I got the fulfillment of donating it or giving it to someone in need, whatever the case is. And number 3, I landed a new client. So let's imagine I'm in sales and I landed a new client. So those are the 3 reasons why my day went very well today. So essentially my main thesis, bringing it all together, number 2, number 3 could be, my day went very well today because I got to work early and didn't feel rushed, found a $5 bill and donated it to someone in need or some cause that a worthy cause. And I landed a new client, which is going to further my career. So that's like the thesis altogether. Okay. Steps 2 and 3 sort of brought together there. The thesis and the things that back it up. Okay. Step number 4 is to come up with an introductory paragraph. Your introductory paragraph should be, I'd say like 5 to 8 sentences long, and it should outline what you're going to be narrating, the story that you're going to be narrating, but the last sentence of your introductory paragraph should be your thesis. So make sure you outline the basics of, the benefits of having a good day. It can affect your life positively in the future. One good day leads to the next good day. We're starting a positive cycle. And then at the end of that is going to be your thesis. The last sentence of your introductory paragraph will be your thesis, okay? Step number 5 is to come up with 3 body paragraphs. And each body paragraph is going to be based on one of those backing points that we came up with earlier. So 3 body paragraphs, and each of those body paragraphs is going to be based on the backing point, the evidence point that we came up with earlier. That's step number 5. Each body paragraph should be, should start off with, the backing point, and then it should give further reasoning as to, like, for instance, why finding a $5 bill is going to create a better day. Why donating that $5 bill is going to create an even better day, a better chain of a better day, right? And how it sort of leads into the next good thing that happened. Maybe I was in such a good mood that caused me to land a good client, a new client, which was another reason, right? Maybe this all started because I got to work early, right? Follow along, right? Like the good chain of events to create this good day all works together. So 3 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph is based on one of the backing points that you came up with. And last but not least, number 6, the 6th step is probably the easiest one. That's to create a conclusion paragraph. Now, the conclusion paragraph is similar to the intro, but instead of outlining what you're going to be talking about, you're going to outline sort of what you already spoke about. So you're saying it in almost like a past tense, and you're just backing up why, like giving maybe further evidence why those good things are going to lead to future good days as well. So your conclusion paragraph is going to also talk about potentially the future. So those three things, throughout the day, that's how my day went better. And then the conclusion is saying this is how it's going to affect it in the future positively as well. And that's it. That is how to write a narrative essay, an easy tutorial for absolute beginners, just a couple of simple steps. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.